Hey, this is Tinker's Mentality. Yeah, I got been working on the trailer, utilizing two trailers. The other one's up over here. Taking the parts off it and putting it on here, and we're actually to the point where to the point where we're going to be sanding it all off and then painting it with primer, rust prevention or rust eliminator primer, and then we'll stick this, loosen these up, pull it closer so it'll actually fit on this frame, and then we're going to be putting the red fenders. Oh yeah, we're going to be trying to get these red fenders. This is a 1964 or 62 trailer, so we're going to try to keep the fenders that go on there. On that part, we're going to mount them onto that because these tires and rims and it's really stiff. It's just don't need to be all that stiff. It's going to really look good when we get done, but we have a lot of sanding to do and a lot of painting and stuff like that on this trailer. Have all the stuff for it, and by golly, it's going to be a pretty nice little boat and trailer once we get all done. Hey, thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a comment. Take care. Have a good day.